A project to install the English-speaking Caribbean's first gamma irradiation facility will begin this year in Jamaica. Minister of Science, Energy and Technology Gerald Vaz says the final contract was signed by Professor Charles Grant, the head of the International Center for Environmental and Nuclear Sciences in Vienna, Austria.
In the short term, the facility will be integral in two major international atomic energy agencies' technical cooperation projects that are of vital concern to the country in collaboration with the SRC, the Ministry of Health and Wellness. In the long term, the introduction of gamma ray technology will be applied to other segments of the agricultural and health sectors.
Gamma rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation created from the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei. They're used in many fields, including the exploration of other planets and the sterilization of medical equipment. Through a process called irradiation, gamma rays are used to treat some types of cancer, since the rays kill cancer cells. Meantime, Minister Vaz has also disclosed that Jamaica will be able to quantify greenhouse emissions and other environmentally malignant components starting this fiscal year. His ministry has been working on developing a real-time sensory network as part of the wider smart city concept.
The information system is a powerful visualization tool with numerous benefits, including the generation of robust data for better understanding of carbon cycling and to support the decision-making of our policymakers. The work is supported in part through grant funding by the Bureau of Oceans and International Environmental and Scientific Affairs of the U.S. Department of State.